Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the chapter Pastoralist in the Modern World. In the very first video, we have discussed about the movements of pastoralists. So in this video, we will discuss about the different pastoral communities. At first, we will see the pastoral communities in the mountains. And if we look for the pastoral communities in the mountains, at first we will see about Gujar Bakkarwals. After it, we will see about Gaddi Shepherd. And later on, we will see about Garhwal and Kumayu region. At first, we will see about Gujar Bakkarwals. Gujar Bakkarwals of Jammu and Kashmir are great herders of goat and sheep. Many of them migrated to this region in the 19th century in search of pastures for their animals. Gujar Bakkarwals moved between their summer and winter grazing grounds. In winter, when the high mountains were covered with snow, the pastoralists lived with their herds in the low hills of the Shivalik range because the dry scrub forest here provided pastures for their cattle, and by the end of the April they began their movement in northern side for their summer grazing grounds. Several households came together for this journey and forming what is known as a kafila, they crossed the Pir Panjal passes and entered the valley of Kashmir. And with the onset of summer, the snow melted and the mountainside were lush green. The variety of grasses that sprouted provided rich nutritious forage for the animal herds. By end September, the Bakkarwals were on the move again, this time on their downward journey back to their winter base. When the high mountains were covered with snow, the herds were grazed in the low hills. Basically, we can say the movement of the Gujar Bakkarwals is somewhere affected by season. This is a pastoral community in Jammu and Kashmir and moved annually between summer and winter. In winter season, they moved towards low hills of Shivalik. And in summer season, they moved upward side. If we look for the second community, that is Gaddi Shepherd. In a different area of the mountain, the Gaddi Shepherd of Himachal Pradesh had a similar cycle of seasonal movement. They too spent their winter in the low hills of Shivalik range, grazing their flocks in scrub forest. By April, they moved north and spent the summer in Lahul and Spiti. When the snow melted and the high passes were clear, many of them moved on to higher mountain meadows, and by September they began their return movement. On the way, they stopped once again in the villages of Lahul and Spiti, reaping their summer harvest and sowing their winter crop. Then they descended with their flock to their winter grazing ground on the Shivalik hills. Next April, once again, they began their march with their goats and sheep to the summer meadows. This is a pastoral community in Himachal Pradesh, and once again their movement is affected by seasons. In winter season, they had to stay in low hills of Shivalik. and by April they moved and spent their summers in Lahul and Spiti, two villages in Himachal Pradesh. Their return movement was started by September. As I have told you, at the time of their return journey, they stopped once again in Lahul and Spiti, reaping of their summer harvest and sowing their winter crop. And next April, once again, they began their march with their goats and sheep to the summer meadows. If we look for the third community, that is in Garhwal and in Kumaon region. Further to the east in Garhwal and Kumaon, the Gujar cattle herders came down to the dry forest of the Bhabar in the winter and went up to the high meadows, the Bagyals, in summer. Many of them were originally from Jammu and came to the UP hills in the 19th century in search of good pastures. This pattern of cyclical movement, whether it is related to Jammu, whether it is related to Gujar Bakarwals, Gaddi Shepherd, or other communities in Garhwal and Kumaon region, their cyclical movement can be seen between summer and winter pastures. It was typical of many pastoral communities of the Himalayas, including the Bhotias, Sherpas, and Kinnuris. All of them had to adjust to seasonal changes and make effective use of available pastures in different places. When the pastures was exhausted or unusable in one place, they moved their herds and flocks to new areas, and this continuous movement also allowed the pastures to recover. It prevented their overuse. In Garhwal and Kumaon region, basically we can find Bhotias, Sherpas, and Kinnuris, and once again their movement is affected by season, or we can say they were having seasonal movement. In our next video, we will see different communities on the plateaus, plains and desert, and we will also see how British rule affected the lives of these communities.